Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a very cute friend, Pikachu from Pokémon. First we draw Pikachu's head, a round shape like a soft pillow. Let's add 2 big round eyes. Make them shiny with a little white dot. Now draw a tiny cute nose and a big happy mouth. Draw 2 round red cheeks on each side. Pikachu's cheeks are very special. Now we draw 2 big pointy ears, one on each side. Wow! You did amazing! Now let's color Pikachu. Red. Pink. Cheeks red. Color the body yellow. I love drawing and coloring. You are doing a great job. Pikachu is so happy to see your beautiful drawing. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.